Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the phone won't shut down mid-process. Keep battery above 20%. Next, open Settings and go to About Phone to verify your software version so you know where menus appear. If developer options are already visible, skip the re-enable step. If not, a single quick action is to tap build number repeatedly until the confirmation appears. This exposes developer options. Once visible, make sure you remember where it lives so you can proceed to disable it. Now you go into Settings, then System, and open Developer Options. This is where USB debugging and related toggles live. You should find USB debugging and flip it off to stop ADB access. This immediately prevents new debug sessions. While in Developer Options, also disable OEM unlocking and clear any ADB authorizations to remove previously trusted computers, because disabling just one toggle can leave traces. Once done, exit menus and reboot if you want to ensure. Finally, you should toggle developer options itself off to hide the menu from settings. This prevents casual reactivation. After turning it off, reboot your Oneplus so the system fully applies the change and revokes temporary permissions. If developer options or USB debugging reappear, make sure no profile or device management policy re-enables them. If needed, clear settings app data or remove the work profile, then repeat the steps. This troubleshooting tip resolves persistent reactivation caused by policy or corrupted settings cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.